I'm going to start right now. I can't help myself. I've got to take this cover off. Let's have a look, see what thing with me torch. Figure out where the thing is. Okay. Normally bikes have a key turny thing that would release this. This bike doesn't have one. It also doesn't have any rear pegs. It's got a really dodgy paint job, which I guess it's been a stolen recovered bike, so it's been painted a kind of horrible grey. Yeah, so next project will be picking the lock on the fuel tank. I have tried a rake already, the rake's not playing the game, and no, I'm not going to let you see it. So where are the pins? The pins are at the top. Pins are at the top. So put some tension there. So if you could undo the bolts to get this out, rather than have to pick it and then take the bolts out, then I would do that. However, pins sit inside the fuel tank. Oh, there we go. We have a win. Fuel tank open. So this, and I need a socket. These. And now we can take the tank off. Well, that's not very tight at all. And neither is that. Okay, so nothing's done up tight on this bike, it would appear. I think these are the three, because two of them are just decorative. Shove them in there for now. Filler cap off. Okay. Oh, it would appear to have been white before. Now the PPSR check that I did said the bike was silver. Do we have a number on the bottom here? Where's the specs? We do have a number on the bottom of there. The question is, if this is not the original tank for the bike, will that number get me a key for that ignition? I don't know. If any of you guys know, can you comment down below for me and let me know if you think that's going to work. Cheers. Not even vaguely done up. So oddly enough, that's the carbon fibre wrap stuff Lee and I use in the cars. More evidence of a white tank. But I think that one actually has a bolt in it. Open those. So that it's not done up very tight. It's not done up very tight, folks. I would say it's slowly coming together, but it's not. It's literally coming apart. See, not bolted down. Fantastic. Okay. So the tank is definitely white underneath, and also not bolted down. So the plan is, get it to start, would be plan one. If I can get it to start, get it to a point where I can have it registered for the road. If I can do that with the current plastics, I probably will. And then if that works and it's nice enough to ride, I will change the look of the bike completely. Let me know what you think, guys. Some of the battery. Let's see if we can get a reading off the battery. Let's have a look. So just under there is the positive. What have we got? Is that 2 volts or is that 0.2 volt? I think that's 2 volts. That's not enough. I will try and put it on charge and we'll see if we can get any life out of it, but I'm not holding out much hope. charger happens to be handy. Can I get that one on there under the tank? Ish. Seems to be all that will do. Plug it in. Let's hope it doesn't explode. Okay, so it's put it in recon mode and it's fast and it's sending volts. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so I guess it uses a lot of volts to recondition the battery. 16.8, 16.9, 17 is a lot. Oh well. Fingers crossed the battery comes back.